on. Hey there, we are making some baked avocado with some of the girls' fresh eggs using my trusty dusty Cutco spatula that I love, and getting that pit out safely. Whoops, every time I try to do it, I can't get it out. Okay, there we go. Safely out. Then you scoop just a little bit of the inside out to make room for the egg to go in. And we're gonna save that to use with the eggs once they're baked. So this is going to be just some fresh avocado. We have them here. Got to eat them during the COVID-19 sheltering in place time. Scoop a little of this out. You get the picture. This is Ethel's egg, I can tell. Here's one of Ricky's eggs. Let's get one of Ginger's eggs out. I think that's Fred. Nope, this is Ginger. Okay, so we're gonna crack an egg and place the egg inside the avocado. I've always wanted to do this, I've never have. And I noticed that the avocado or the egg kind of scooped out of that. Kind of messy, oh well. I guess it's meant to do that. And then we're gonna sprinkle it with some nice salt and pepper. Strictly pepper, here we go. A little pepper in here. Look, instead of putting salt, I'm just gonna put some bacon in there. So we'll make it a little extra keto friendly and dice up some bacon. Okay, sprinkle bacon in and then some Parmesan cheese. So here we go. And that is gonna be one heck of a good keto and paleo friendly. Oh, maybe paleo you don't eat cheese, I don't think so. But we do keto, so that's gonna be good for us. We're gonna crush these shells up in the chickee chews. They're gonna have these as a little snack because it helps with their calcium and their little bones and body. And that's one of the things that's for dinner. So thanks for tuning in.